So Dad says you're about to watch old people work. I'm over here working on seat stuff and trying to see about getting those seats in there. This is a Monday evening after work type situation. I have convinced Mom and Dad to help me somehow. So they feel sorry for me is what it is. So I'm gonna set the camera up to B-roll as they work on this bed, and then we'll get maybe trying to put it on later or something like that. So yeah, here we go. Well, so you guys hear the fans going because it's warm in here, and it's after work on a Tuesday. As you can tell watching the video, we worked till it was dark outside last night, so we've got things pretty well laid out here. Dad's measuring out the 2x4s that we're going to put in here to brace the bed. That's right, it's just going to be 2x4s, no 4x4s, nothing like that. We're just putting 2x4s in it, put the deck boards on top of it. Then we got to brace the front of it because the front of it's sitting about yay far off the frame where I Z-cut it. So you get those measured out and we'll cut them, and then we'll start putting the bed together. Okay, so it's after work on another evening. I did just go get my hair cut. Dad, since the last time we left here, finished bolting down the front of the bed, and I made pieces and we bolted down the back section of the bed before I left last time. So I'll show you how we've got it fastened to the truck. And so this right here, because I've got the big step in the frame where I lowered it, Dad cut a couple pieces of 2x10 Now to sandwich that all together, we've got a long piece of all thread with 2 brackets going up, one for each side and the same for over there. Back here where the frame does not have a step in it, we just got it setting on some 1x material. It's about 3/4 inch thick, and same thing, we've got all thread with the bracket on top and bottom, and the same thing back here, bracket on top and bottom. So it is held down over there on the other side here, over there on the other side here, and over there on the other side here. So it's got 6 places to fasten this down to the truck. And I can sit here on the corner, and I can put my weight on it, and it's good to go. So now Dad's already cut some of the deck boards. We're going to go ahead and finish cutting the rest of them and get the deck boards on here and lined out. Oh, and if you might notice, it's a different video because that's not finished yet, but look, there's some air management stuff. So, all right, let's get started. So one thing we're having problem with here is we've got a gap in the center that is more than one board. So Dad just ripped one of our boards, and we're going to rip another one and put 2 narrow boards in the middle. We'll see what it looks like, but I need my drill. Well, it's getting dark out, but check this out. It's sitting there running. They don't have any tail lights right now, but the clearance lights are on. See them up there? How cool those look. So we've got a toolbox mounted to the bed. So it's warped a little bit because that's the toolbox that was in the bed of my truck whenever I wrecked it with the gooseneck. And there's how the bed turned out right there. So we'll be able to get the chopper up there. But I'm starting to think this might actually happen. I mean, it's pretty well got to happen at this point. I've already told everybody I'm gonna do it, so you know, gotta stick with it. But it's aired up on its bags right now. Of course, the air management system still isn't working. I'm still using a Schrader valve, but there she be. So let me get that thing parked in the other bay of the garage. Man, look at that. It looks good, don't it? Let me get it parked over in the other garage and we'll take a look at the list. So, we've looked at the truck sitting outside. You see what happened there. So that means I get to mark 2 things off. Makeshift beds off. Toolbox is off. And I'm gonna mark off the A in air management because you guys, this is a different video, but I've got some of that done. So the list is starting to go away a little bit by little bit. So these 2 right here, well, these 3 right here are still kind of a big deal. So we'll get through those, and I don't know if steps is gonna happen or not. But hey, and Dad's sitting over here in a chair. Guess what? Temperature gauge is working as it's sitting out there idling. So I pulled it up in. So really right now, that's done. So gauges are done. So all the gauges on the dash work right now. So we're getting a little closer to a trip. So as of right now, the day of filming this, it's the 17th of July. Is that right? Yes, 17th of July. So I got 30 days. That sounds like a lot of time, but keep in mind I've got other obligations and a full-time job outside of that. So we'll see how much this we can get done. If you guys are interested to see how the trip goes and what else I get done between now and then, hit that like and subscribe button, and we'll see you guys on the next one.